What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is a day that we've been waiting for like a year and a half. I've had a vinyl wrap sitting around for this car for a long time, and we're finally gonna start this job after, over a year. We got Chandler, who has volunteered to help us out, teach me a few things, and get this thing wrapped. So you probably saw him in the last video. I'll have his Instagram linked in the description and also right here on the screen. You're gonna be starting a channel soon, yeah?
Hopefully. I don't know. Maybe. I really want to, but it's hard to kind of figure out what to record because my day-to-day life is involved with tent wraps, clear bra. So I really want to do like more car stuff, as you guys can see behind me over here. But
it's got a nice Honda build going on over here.
Yeah. So I don't know. Figure out what you guys want to see and let me know, and I'll record. That's what I need to know. So
if you guys want to see more vinyl wrap content and maybe even tint content, leave a comment below, and do me a favor, go follow Chandler on Instagram. Let's get him up there so he can start feeling confident with his new videos. Get him on the tube.
yes, sir.
But
and goal.
yeah, we're gonna start cleaning off this car and get it prepped out, ready to lay some vinyl. Not even hand tight.
Oh shit.
That's it. Put an electric thing in here.
Do it. Full on fucking rally, dude.
Oh, that's how it comes out of there.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's it.
All right. So now that
look at that.
wow. Maybe we do know what we're doing.
More you know.
Or not, but.
What is that thing?
Plastic razor blade, man. These things are like, there you go. That's the magic tool, dude. It does it all. Man.
Have y'all ever seen that in your life? Cause I definitely haven't. But that's freaking genius.
We'll keep them stored away for people like him who like to steal them.
So we got the car pretty much all the way stripped down for the most part. A few little more things to go, like the antenna up here. And really, I mean, that's pretty much it. Now, I mean, we're kind of just cleaning stuff up. We're gonna have to go over the whole car, obviously, make sure everything is spotless. I have this guy, which is like a clay bar, and these things work really, really well. You kind of just rub it on the car, and just a clay bar all in one kind of thing. I think we leave the car like this and just leave it a sleeper.
Yeah, full sense. What do you have to lose? There's no to lose at this point.
Thing is ugly. I got an ugly ass car. But come up here. She ain't so ugly anymore. I'm kind of digging the door handle delete. I think that's probably the best mod we could do for this
Weight
thing.
reduction.
Who needs them?
Can't break in if there ain't no door handle.
Can't break out either.
No, you're not breaking in or out.
The old plastic razor blade in action.
Yes, sir. Some small stuff. Can't go too hard though, because they'll still scratch the paint. So, hey.
Just rip the paint off.
Well, yeah, just get rid of the paint. That's another weight reduction. I'm telling you.
And like, it's so sick. Just rub it, and then you'll feel it come off, and then it'll be like perfectly smooth where you just went over.
Oh, what the fuck?
Right?
That's insane.
Holy sick.
Shit.
So I've had this wrap sitting in the corner of my house for, like I said, a long time, and I've only showed a select few people, but you guys are about to see. So, shall we do it?
I guess so. There she
So
is.
this color, I mean, camera probably doesn't even do it justice. It is the KPMF Red Black Iridescent, and it's gloss. And under the light, this color is freaking sick. Yeah, the camera doesn't even do it justice. But it's almost like black without any light or anything on it. And then once the light hits it, it's just sparkly red. It really is a sick color. So super excited to get this on the car. Oh yeah, there we go.
This
Yeah.
is more natural light based, so.
So sick. Such a dope color.
Yeah. Oh, God, I can't wait.
I'm stoked.
Fuego. Too good.
Get a little post heat action, get rid of the scratches, and
Yes, sir.
we'll
Or
be
we can try
good.
your little trick.
Alright guys, it's the next day now. We got the hood wrap last night. I did finally get the crossover fuel line in the mail this morning, so I'm going to get that slapped in while Chandler is cleaning up front fenders, getting those ready to get wrapped. This car has been, I think it's leaking fuel from the stock fuel lines that I left in there. I'm probably just going to take an air compressor and blow them out completely, make sure we're not leaking anything anymore. But there is one hole in the fuel pump, obviously, or the fuel hanger, and I just don't want that to leak anymore if it is. So let's get this fuel line on real quick, and then I'm going to help Chandler wrap the rest of this car. Crusty under here. Just wrapped up the fuel system. Hopefully we got no leaks. I think everything's tight. That The little AN adapter piece I have that kind of clips onto the crossover guy over there, didn't feel like it really clicked in, so it'll probably leak and I'll have to fix it, but we'll get to that when the time comes. While I was doing that, Chandler almost has this front fender completely done. It looks banger. So
It is banger.
he brought the little, what do you want to call that thing?
An IR lamp, so really you're moving heat with rays rather than, I guess, actual heat. Doesn't really make sense, but there's a science behind it, so.
Yeah, that looks sick.
Much better. I'm super stoked on this. This is
Yeah.
gonna be.
I'm gonna start cleaning up the fender on the other side, and that way we can get pretty much the front of this car almost done, besides the bumper. Bumper sucks.
Pretty much, yeah. Bumpers are ass, but whatever.
We'll get there.
Yeah.
Oh my god. It's good, Remy.
You're recording, huh?
Yes, sir.
What are you up to?
Wrapping the car.
What are you wrapping it?
You wanna come see it?
I'll come take a look real quick.
Pretty much the same thing
Very
as your
nice.
green one, but red. Yep.
What's the code on the, like, the name?
Red, black, iridescent.
Yeah, so same exact thing.
Yeah.
Or is it red
They must-
gloss? Is it gloss
It is
red?
gloss,
Yeah, gloss
yeah.
red, black, yeah. Mine's green gloss, black iridescent.
Yeah.
Howdy.
Looks like you're trying to take a piss on my car.
Something of like that.
Pinky promise you, Koopy.
You got a big cam in this thing or something?
That's fours. They don't even make them yet, but I got them. Ah, damn!
Man, the thing looks like it's riding on just like solid shocks. Honest to God.
Loud as hell.
It is too.
Damn. All right, day 3 of working on the hatch. We are making some solid progress on this. I came in a little bit late today, but Chandler managed to get the back left door done. She looks pretty sick.
It's pretty mint.
I like it.
Yeah.
It's coming along. So we're gonna see how far we can get today. Hopefully I don't get called into work tonight. Might be able to stay a little bit longer and get some more stuff done. But yeah, we'll see what happens. This is probably gonna be the last day for this video. So after this day, you guys will finally get to see this color. While he's finishing up with that other back door, I will start working on the right side, getting this all prepped out, and then we can start laying the wrap here. And then pretty much all we have left is the back of the car, the roof, and then a bunch of little stuff. And that's pretty much it. The little stuff does take a while, and the small details are very time consuming. If you've laid vinyl wrap before, you know. But without further ado, let's get back to work, get this thing done. well, as you guys know, I'm pretty new to this whole vinyl wrap thing, and pretty much had this entire door wrapped, and then as I was cutting it, slipped the knife and cut into the wrap on the corner of the door. So unfortunate, it happens. Hopefully we have enough wrap to do this again. Sucks, but yep, ripped it off, and we'll start fresh. And then Chandler,
Yeah.
what you do?
I mean, you know, I've been rapping for a while, but you know, sometimes it just happens. Yeah, nice gap of silver.
Oh.
Yeah, so that's not gonna work either.
How many times have we done this piece?
I've already started on this 4 times because it's pulling dirt from all over the place and it just wasn't acceptable. So, yeah.
This one was going well.
Not anymore though.
Shoot. Well, 2 for 2.
Yeah, not too great right now. So,
We're gonna pull all this off and then hit it again. Not much else we can do, so.
well, sometimes you just gotta take the L. Take the L. Embrace it.
As you guys saw before, when we wrapped this door the first time, when I wrapped this door the first time, I slipped the knife in the corner and had to redo it. Just got it done, and it came out beautiful. Beautiful cuts, no glue lines, no nothing. It came out really good. And then beautiful cuts all the way down the side of the door. We are good to go on this one. So tomorrow, we're gonna try to get this quarter panel done, and then maybe the roof, some of the back of the car. Today we got this quarter panel done, as you probably saw, and this whole side of the car is almost done. So it's really coming along, and I freaking love the looks of it. So glad I could hammer out this door. It gets pretty stressful, especially when you start going through vinyl and realize that you don't have a whole lot left in the roll. You got to make sure you can finish the car. I'm going to split this wrap up into 2 videos. So I'm going to end off the first one here. That way I can get it up. You guys can see what's going on. We're going to pick up on the wrap tomorrow, but that'll be it for this video. I'm going to wrap that up here. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Let me know what you think of the wrap in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, peace out. See y'all later.